Question. What do you see? A mat. A mat.
Yeah.
Okay. Some more. What do you see?
Different alphabets and colors.
Different alphabets. Do you see your name?
No.
No. You don't see your name anymore.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just letters. Yes or no?
Yes.
We in Coca-Cola is the same. You're part of the organization. Yeah? You're just part of the organization. You cannot see your name anymore. Yeah?
Please. হ্যামারটা অন্য রুমে চলে গেছে শুধু হ্যামার মারলো ফোকাস এবড়া
We in Coca-Cola is the same. We're just part of the organization. We cannot see our name anymore.
Yep.
So don't feel so proud about your name. If
Excellent,
we
excellent.
were to change this, if we were to turn this, we would see our position.
No.
No, we won't see our position in the company. Why? Because we're part of the organization. Yeah?
Excellent.
So don't be so proud about your position in the company.
Yes.
Yeah?
Exactly. Boss.
Very good message. The story is everybody important?
Yes.
Yes, everybody is important.
Yes.
Yeah? For example, let's say what's your name, brother? Atur. Let's say Atur come late. Example, he comes late. Yeah. Example. He comes late to work. What will happen? What will happen to this man?
The system will fall.
It will
Collapse.
be destroyed. It will collapse.
Yeah.
It will be ugly.
Yeah. You're right.
Yeah. So what should you do about our brother Atur?
You keep him straight.
Yes, you must press, smash. You must
Press,
Yeah.
smash.
Yeah. You must bring him back to the right path.
Yes.
Because of 1%, the whole mat will be destroyed.
Yeah.
Because of 1%, the whole Coca-Cola will be destroyed. Because of 1%, it will be a safety hazard. Because of 1%, you don't get your bonus.
Right.
So you must make sure this 1% is just as good as you. Yes. Now let's say we coach him, we counsel him, we praise, smash him, but he still wants to follow his way. What should you do about him?
Smash.
You tell him to get another job.
Yes.
Because of him, your family doesn't eat. So you must help him. Example. You must help him, coach him, do whatever it takes in the most halal sense of the word. Help him out.
Yes.
But if he doesn't want to listen, he wants to follow his own head, tell him to get another job. Are you with me?
Yes.
I saw you doing this just now. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
Good shape.
Yeah?
You are giving it a good shape.
We're making it a good shape. So
Good
what?
shape and
Strength.
more stable.
More stable, more strong, more
Yeah.
beautiful.
We try to come closer due to it looks good.
Very good. So
With
when
no
we
gaps.
come closer, we look good.
Look
Yes.
Yes.
And it is become stronger.
Same here in Coca-Cola. When you come together, you become strong. When you come together, you look good. What makes you come together? Are you always holding hands together? No.
Showing respect to each other.
We communicate.
We communicate and
We
life
salam
is,
mesra.
life is more easier.
Exactly. The more you communicate, the less gaps we have.
Yeah.
The less we communicate, the more gaps
Gaps.
we have. And in this mat, you will see gaps. In reality, in life, these gaps are called assumptions. Yeah?
Assumption.
You start to feel negative about one another. You start to accuse of people, you know? You start to have assumptions with one another. Because lack of communication.
Lack of communication and including assumption.
Exactly.
Maybe it's positive or negative.
Very good. Well, here's my suggestion. When you have assumptions, you want to get rid of assumptions, you have to communicate.
Yes. Good.
So even though you are in different places, like some of you are based in Dhaka, some of you are at the factory, yes? So why don't you send a WhatsApp? How are you?
But sometimes
No, we do. We are doing it.
mail after mail, but there is no response.
Is it a bangau there? In the past.
Yeah, yeah.
I totally understand. In the past.
Let me say. Then it's our responsibility
Probably right.
to phone him and
Phone him, call him.
and do everything whatever is necessary.
There you go. That's not bangau.
Bangau. No bangau.
Yeah. Don't say, oh, he's in the factory there. How to communicate? Oh, he's in Dhaka. I'm in the factory. How to go? Send no WhatsApp. Yeah. Ask him, are you still alive? Yeah. Sometimes only during programs like this, you say, he's still alive. The last time we went for a course together was 40 years ago. He's still alive. Always communicate, because the more you communicate, the less the gaps.
Yes.
The less you communicate, the more the gaps. And when there are more gaps among us, there will be no teamwork. Everybody's having their own state of mind. Are you with me?
Yes.
My brother, which is better? You do your namas alone, or you do your namas
Jamat.
Jamat? Yes. This is your Jamat.
Yes, this is Jamat.
Coca-Cola is your Jamat.
Jamat.
Yes.
Yes or
Jamat.
no?
Yes, yes.
When you do your Jamat, you go into the soft, the
Right.
lines, the soft. Yes.
Right.
Yes. Every day you go to work, you go into your soft, your specialization. Some of you HR, some of you sales, some of you finance. You go into your soft, your specialization.
Right.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Like Salat. And when you Salat Jamat, if the person next to you, the soft is not close, what should you do about him?
Just pick him.
You pull him.
Pull him. Right.
Yes? But if he doesn't want, what do you do about him? You chase him away. You ask him to find a different soft behind, with the children behind. Now listen carefully. In Salat, Jamaat, we correct the leg.
Yes.
We put our soft in the right line.
Yes.
At work, you make your hearts in the right line.
Yes.
Hearts in the right line means you're always thinking positive of the people next to you, not thinking negative. You want to think positive first. I'm not saying think positive all the time. If you think of positive all the time, as you are crossing the road, the lorry is coming, you say, oh, never mind, he will stop. You think positive first. If after all the positive you see negative, it's negative. The story is this: you must start to have the same heart. Then you have the same head. If your heart is about something else, you don't feel the taste. Understand me? Feel the taste. Yeah? Coca-Cola is all about feel the taste. Now when I say feel the taste in Coca-Cola, you being part of this family. If you don't feel that, go taste another company. But since you choose to be in this company, feel it. These are your brothers. This is part of your family. For some of you, this is part of your family for the past 3-5 years. If you cannot talk to family and you're always fighting, you might as well get another family. But since you choose to be this family, respect, talk, communicate. If you need to fight, you fight professionally, not fight emotionally. Because whose choice?
My choice.
Whose choice? Stop bangawing. Stop Last point. Some of you just now, I saw you were doing like this. Yeah? You were here and you were doing like this. Some of you, because there were so many people, you are standing like this. Yeah? Your body cannot be there, but your spirit is there.
Yes.
But some of you, your body and spirit somewhere else.
Stop hanging.
He's quietly there behind. Everybody's here, but he's quietly that guy.
He's in factory.
Yes. So you need to bring him back here.
And he also asking me a task.
Yeah, true. I
For-
Stop, Banga.
I know he's important.
Stop.
I know he's an important man. I'm giving an example. Yeah? Are you with me? Yes. Put your right hand up.
Yeah.
Put your right hand on the shoulder of the person next to you. Massage.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
all right?
yes.